Hi everybody, Luke here at Ball Square Fine Wines with our second Ball Square with a Twist video. This week we're going to be highlighting a tequila that we've got on sale for $32 down from 47. It's the G4 Blanco. Very smooth, a little bit of fruity, a little bit of grass, just a great all-around summer tequila. We're going to be showing you how to make a Paloma. Paloma doesn't have a cultured history or anything like that. It's just a nice, easy, simple summer drink. It involves tequila, lime juice, and either fresh squeezed grapefruit juice and club soda or grapefruit soda, which is what we're going to use today because we really like the Fever Tree grapefruit. After that, I'll show you a little twist on the cocktail. It's a little more complicated with some extra ingredients, and hope you enjoy. You're going to start off your cocktail by adding 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Add it into your shaker. Next, we're going to be adding 2 ounces of tequila. Simple as that. And we'll add some ice to our shaker. Give it a nice shake till it's cold. About 8 seconds to 12 seconds till it's perfectly cold. And you'll take your glass, I like a nice highball glass, put some fresh ice into it. Ideally you have a big cube or globe to add to this. We didn't have that available, but that melts a little bit slower, so it waters down your drink a little bit less. Then strain onto fresh ice. Take your grapefruit soda, top it off. And if you want to make it look pretty, take a nice lime wheel, slide it right on there. And there you go, a perfect summer drink, the Paloma. So having had a few of these drinks at home and feeling a little inspired one night, I decided to take a look at my liquor shelf and see what else I could add while still using the grapefruit soda and lime and tequila base. Took a look and I realized I had some Naranja orange liqueur, which is a tequila-based orange liqueur on my shelf. It complements a lot of tequilas nicely, is great in a margarita, whether it's mezcal or tequila, works perfectly. I went out to my garden, got a sprig of mint, and this is where I started. By muddling a few leaves of mint in the bottom of a Tom Collins glass, or any tall glass will do. Take a few orange bitters. You're going to dash mint. Be liberal with it. Don't be shy. Really get them in there. Set aside. Just a dash of this for right now, just to kind of get some liquid in there. And then you're going to get out your muddler. Really get in there to extract the mint. You want to be able to taste it. This breaks down the leaves, gets the mint flavors out, and mixes everything together. Set that aside for a second. Next, you're going to come back to your shaker set. And again, we're going to start off with 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, we'll add the Naranja orange liqueur, 3/4 ounce. This has a little bit of sweetness to it, which is nice because the Fever Tree grapefruit soda actually has no added sugar. It's quite a dry soda. It's really just grapefruit juice and club soda mixed together. So this complements nicely, adding a touch of sweetness to the drink. Next, you'll add your 2 ounces of tequila. Alright, and lastly, just like before, we're going to shake it over ice. Then 8 to 12 seconds till you reach cold equilibrium. Sometimes the glass gets a little stuck. There we go. Get your glass back. Fill it with ice. Then take your strainer, strain right into the glass. Lastly, you'll take your Fever Tree grapefruit soda and just top it off. like to give it just a little bit of a mix with bar spoon just to blend all the flavors together. Just gently, you don't want to mix too much. Garnish with a nice lime wheel again. And if you've got a little extra, a nice sprig of mint goes a long way. The Paloma ball square with a twist style. There you have it, the standard Paloma and the ball square with a twist version. If this is something that interests you, we have the Paloma kitted together at a discount on our online shop or in-store. If you would like the ball square with a twist version, if you order online, add in the comments that you would like the with a twist, and we'll add that on again at a discounted kit price. Thanks for watching.